back to my channel. So today I am going for my second dose of vaccination. So I thought to film a video and share my experience with all of you guys. So stay tuned. First of all, I am going to book a taxi. So the taxi is free in Singapore. You just need to download a app and you will get a free voucher. So just open the Gojek app. Then from the menu go to the promos option, click on the vouchers and scroll down to get your free voucher. Click on use and then select the location of your vaccination center. Once you select, you can get your order GoCar free. So I am going to take a taxi. The taxi is, I think, waiting for me. We have already booked 5 minutes before.
Drawing 1.
Let's go and find the taxi.
Face together. Fever, Ralino. Go for the better.
Thank you. No,
Any
nothing.
blood filling medication?
Nothing.
Okay, so same thing after the vaccine, you may experience side effects such as fever, arm pain. That's normal.
Yeah, yeah.
Tablet every 6 hours, but if fever lasts for more than 2 days, go see the doctor. Sometimes it works. Can you just relax your arm for me? Later, you watch the video.
Yeah, yeah.
Also see the needles.
Yeah, not that scared. It's okay. Yeah.
And out.
It's done?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So now I need to wait for.
Outside for 30 minutes.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, left or right?
Yeah.
Okay, so after discharge, rest well, drink a lot of water, no alcohol for 24 hours, no strenuous exercise at least, over here, madam, for 1 week,
Yeah.
yeah, and the nurse now for reference.
Yeah.
Can you take a new and IC this one?
Go counter number 4. Then front row, counter number 5.
Yeah, correct.
Abhi Khanna, counter number
You also get your full
3.
report now from these apps 2 weeks later.
Health. So I need to download
You need to
this.
download this.
Health Hub SG. So yeah guys, I am done with my second dose of vaccination and I am heading home. So I got the vaccination card from MOH, Ministry of Health Singapore. It has all the information that I have done with both the doses. So we have booked online everything prior in Singapore and they have given us both the dates and time of vaccination and also provided us free taxi to and fro, and we also received set of masks, sanitizer and a water bottle to keep hydrated after the vaccination. My overall experience went very well. It hardly took 40 minutes for a whole process to complete and then I waited for 30 minutes under observation. So they have asked everything before sending me for vaccination, like I have COVID before, any fever symptoms, any allergies and stuff like that. Once everything checked, they send me for vaccination. At the time of vaccination, she told me about the side effects, and also during my first dose of vaccination, I got this instruction booklet where they have mentioned everything regarding the Pfizer vaccine, who should get the vaccine, who should not, what are the side effects and how to manage, and also how to report if you observe any side effect after the vaccination. Guys, as you can see, there are so many beautiful Singapore flags that because the Singapore National Day, which is on 9th of August. So we are advised before that we need to be hydrated and we should not go empty stomach, take our meal properly before going for a vaccination. Everything is so well organized. We are grateful to receive our vaccination here. I always love the way the government here run this country. We can trust them fully without any doubt. So finally I'm back home and look what I got. Yeah, that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed my COVID-19 experience. Do follow me on my Instagram as well as on my Facebook page. I will see you soon in my next vlog. Also like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you are watching first time, so yeah, please do subscribe to my channel. Share your experience as well. You have received your first dose or you have already finished with both the doses. How was your experience in your country? Do share with me in my comment section. And thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye.